On the morning of 18th December 1961, Indian troops entered Portuguese Goa from the north, the south, and the east. By the evening, the capital of Panjim had been encircled. In 2 days, the Portuguese army surrendered, being hopelessly outnumbered 15 to 1, and the Indian army had won a decisive victory and made thousands of Portuguese prisoners of war. History addicts, welcome back to History Supply. I'm Rishi, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Indian annexation of Portuguese Goa in 1961. India achieved independence in 1947, but only from the British. There were still the territories of other colonial powers such as France and Portugal. France handed back all its colonies to India in 1956. The only colonial power left was Portugal, which clung on to its various territories in India, the most notable of which was Goa. Hey Portugal, I'm the newly independent Republic of India. Britain left a long time ago and France just handed back Pondicherry. Goa is part of Portugal. It's not even a colony. What are you even talking about? Why would you even say such a thing? After independence from Britain, India began diplomatically wrangling with Portugal for the handover of Goa. This went on for years and years and years. Hey Portugal, can I get Goa back now? No India, I'm not giving back Goa. How about now? India? The answer is still no. What about now? India? I have no idea what you're talking about. Fine, I guess we'll just have to take it ourselves. Oh no. Since that wasn't enough, there was also local resistance to Portuguese rule from within Goa itself. Since even that wasn't enough, the Indian government financed armed groups like the Azad Gomantak Dal or the Free Goa Party within Goa to conduct guerrilla warfare against the Portuguese. Since even that wasn't enough, in 1955, 5,000 Indian satyagrahis or non-violent peace activists tried to take Goa through non-violent means. Yet they were all violently beaten back, causing multiple deaths. Then don't forget that in 1952, India had already annexed the Portuguese colonies of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Take that, Portugal. You better watch what's coming next. Hey, that's ours, India. This isn't fair. We're going to take you to the International Court of Justice. Did you know that after the Indian annexation of Goa, John F. Kennedy called the Indian ambassador to the USA? You spent the last 15 years preaching morality to us, and then you go ahead and behave exactly like how any other country would have behaved. People are saying the preacher has been caught coming out of the brothel. Reactions to the annexation of Goa were either positive, negative, or neutral. This is the 60s and the Cold War was really reaching its peak around this time. Yeah, woohoo! You did it, India. Now, everyone, let's go and liberate Angola. India, you've got our full support here, bud. Believe me. You know that we are communists and we love all this decolonization stuff. Just shove it in the face of those Western imperialists. Am I right?